Hi students, welcome to our Easy Biology. Today we are going to discuss about amino acids and its classification. Amino acid is the under the categories of biomolecules. Amino acids is a micromolecules. Amino acids is a organic compounds. That organic compounds such as carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. Some amino acids contain sulfur groups also. The amino acids have two functional groups. First one is the amino groups NH2. Amino group is the NH2. That is a basic in nature. Next carboxyl group. Carboxyl group is COOH group. That is a acidic in nature. Next structure of amino acids. Amino acid structure. First carbon. That carbon surrounded four different group is there. First one is NH2 group. Second one is hydrogen atom. Next COOH carboxyl group and side chain R. Amino acids. Amino acids is a totally 300 to 500 amino acids is present. Among these amino acids, 20 amino acids is a standard amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. Sorry, amino acids classification. Amino acids classifications different ways. Under the first one, amino acids classification based on the structure. Under this first one is amino acids with aliphatic side chain. Aliphatic means carbon atom open chain. Here aromatic structure is absent. First under this example, glycine, alanine, valine, leucine, isoleucine. First we know our general formula of amino acids are CH, NH2, COOH groups. Here instead of R groups, hydrogen atom is present, that is a glycine. Next alanine, that R group, instead of R group, CH3 group is present. Next valine, instead of R group, CH3 group is present. Next leucine, instead of R groups, CH2, CH3 group is present. Next leucine and isoleucine, the molecular formula is same but the structure is different. Leucine, next isoleucine, here instead of R groups, CH, CH2, CH3 groups. Next classification, amino acids containing hydroxyl groups. Hydroxyl group means OH group is present. Example, serine and threonine. Here also same general formula, instead of that R, OH group is present, same like alanine structure. Alanine CH3 is present, here extra one hydroxyl group is present, so CH2OH group is present. Next threonine, instead of that R group, CHOH CH3 group is present. Next classification, sulfur containing amino acids. Sulfur means S group is present. Here examples 2, cysteine and methionine. Cysteine same like alanine structure. Here CH3 present. Next serine, CH3 groups, instead of the CH3 one hydrogen atom absent, OH is present. Here cysteine, that CH3 the hydrogen atom is absent, the instead of the hydrogen atom SH group is present. Next methionine, CH2 S CH3 group is present. Next classification, acidic amino acids and their amide groups. Acidic group means COOH groups, amide means C double bond O NH2 groups is amide groups. For example, first aspartic acid, general formula are CH NH2 COOH, instead of the R group, CH2 COOH group is present, that is the aspartic acid. Next, that amide groups, asparagine means asparagine C double bond O NH2, the amide group is added instead of the acid groups. Next glutamic acid CH2 COOH group is present instead of that R groups. Next amide groups examples, glutamine, same like glutamic acid CH2, then instead of COH C double bond O NH2 group is present. Next one is here basic amino acids. Basic group is here NH2 group is present. Example lysine, arginine and histidine is example. Lysine instead of R groups CH2, 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 NH2 group is present in the lysine. Next arginine, arginine CH2, 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 NH, C double bond NH, CH2 group. Next histidine, histidine here imidazole ring is present. This ring is imidazole. Next amino acids is here aromatic amino acids. Aromatic groups means ring structure is present. Example phenylalanine, tyrosine and tryptophan. Phenylalanine, phenylalanine benzene ring structure with CH2 group is present in this phenylalanine groups. Next tyrosine, tyrosine benzene ring and side chain OH groups and CH2 group is present. Next amino acid is here amino acid. Amino acids example proline. Proline, this is here structure of proline. Here CH2 groups, CH2 groups, CH2 groups, NH. Here carbon hormones and hydrogen and COOH group is present. Next classification, nutritional classifications of amino acids. Under this two types, essential amino acids and non-essential amino acids. First one, essential amino acids. Essential amino acids cannot be synthesized by the body. That amino acids can receive or supply through diet. Example, arginine, valine, histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine and tryptophan. Here one shortcut is there. A, B, H, I, L, L, M, P, T, T. A, B, Hill, M, B, T, T. These are short form of essential amino acids examples. Next one is non-essential amino acids. This amino acids body can synthesize. Here 10 amino acids. There also 10 amino acids is here essential amino acids. Remaining 10 amino acids is here non-essential amino acids. Example glycine, alanine, serine, cysteine, aspartic acid, asparagine, glutamic acid, glutamine, tyrosine and proline. Next classification. Classifications of amino acids based on polarity. Polarity means polar means charge groups. First one is non-polar amino acids. Second one is polar amino acids. First non-polar amino acids. Here R groups are non-polar and hydrophobic. Here this non-polar amino acids are water insoluble amino acids. Example glycine, alanine, valine, leucine, proline, methionine, isoleucine. Next polar amino acid. Here polar amino acids are more soluble in water. This is here hydrophilic amino acids. Example serine, threonine, cysteine, asparagine, glutamine, tyrosine. Next classification amino acids on the basis of metabolic fat. Under this first one glucogenic amino acids. This glucogenic amino acids is here precursor of gluconeogenesis. Gluconeogenesis means synthesis of glucose. So some amino acids are help to synthesis of glucose. For example, glycine, alanine, serine, proline, valine, aspartic acid, asparagine, glutamic acid, glutamine, methionine, cysteine, histidine, arginine. Next amino acid is a ketogenic amino acids. These amino acids are help to fat, synthesis of fat. Fat can be synthesized from these amino acids. Example, leucine and lysine. Next classification, glucogenic amino acids and ketogenic amino acids. So both amino acids functions. Example, isoleucine, phenylalanine, tryptophan, tyrosine. Up to here we discussed about 20 standard amino acids. Now new amino acids are present. 21st amino acid is here selenocysteine and 22nd amino acid is here pyrrolysine. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video.